might be a scary part.
東京都八王子市の一軒家から一家5人が殺害されているのが見つかりました。警察によりますと、遺体は大きく損傷しており、性別もわからなくなっていたということです。夫とみられる熊取秀夫さんは、全身の皮がナイフのようなもので削ぎ落とされており、警察は真相解明を急いでいます。
Oh, welcome. Today we are playing Horror Family Flight. After finishing my business trip in Los Angeles, USA, I boarded a plane headed for Japan. Back in Japan, I was looking forward to seeing my daughter who had recently left Japan for the first time in a while, perhaps due to the exhaustion from the business trip. I fell asleep shortly after boarding the plane. Woke up. Nobody was there. Where am I? I have to head to the cockpit. I think this might be a scary part. So do I just go out there and face death right there? Hello, man. If I get a world record, I'll go this pretty fast. Hell? Oh, hell no. Oh, this is kind of scary. No. Cockpit again. Oh, God. I'm not really in the back right now.